Hey, what's up guys? So in this video, I'll be talking about 5 reasons why you should get a Amazfit T Rex 3 Pro. With a price tag of 400 US dollars, it's positioned as a premium adventure watch, and you're getting a ton of value for that money. It's actually built to compete with the best, taking aim at watches that cost nearly double. Amazfit has packed in premium materials, high-end sensors, and fantastic navigation features. I'm going to walk you through my top 5 reasons why a Amazfit T Rex 3 Pro should absolutely be on your radar this holiday season. And with that, let's dive right in. Right out of the box, you can tell this thing is made to handle tough, unforgiving environments. It has a grade 5 titanium alloy bezel and buttons, and fiber reinforced polymer case. The T-Rex 3 Pro looks rugged, powerful, and adventure ready. It's got thick bezels to protect the screen and 4 large textured physical buttons. This design is perfect for outdoor use, especially if you're wearing gloves in the cold or your hands are wet and a touchscreen just won't work. The 4 buttons let you control all the functions of the watch without ever touching the display. Coming in at number 2 is the feature that truly separates this from the standard fitness watch, which is advanced self-sufficient navigation. You can download detailed full-color offline maps directly to the watch. This means you can be in the middle of nowhere with no phone signal and still see your position on a real map. You can then tap anywhere on that map and the T-Rex 3 Pro will navigate you to that point for walking, running, or outdoor cycling. It even lets you explore points of interest like restaurants, parks, and nature reserves right from your wrist, so you can find landmarks or a place to rest. And here is one more cool thing. You can create round trip routes directly on the watch itself. Just pick the general direction and the distance you want to go, and it will automatically generate a loop route that starts and ends right where you are. It's an awesome feature for hikers and runners who want to explore new paths without the mental load of planning or a full route or worrying about getting lost. It also allows you to perfectly customize the GPS mode, whether you want more accuracy or more precision, single band or dual band GPS. Or you can also let the watch decide the best GPS settings based on where you are, something not many other smartwatches allow you to do. The navigation features that T-Rex 3 Pro provides are unmatched in its price category. Moving on, let's talk about the health features. Beyond the 187 sports modes, it's also certified for free diving and scuba diving up to 45 meters, making it a true companion for water-based adventures, not just a splash-proof fitness tracker. It also includes all the sensors you would want for the outdoors. There's a thermometer that can track your wrist temperature, a barometer to track air pressure, and it can also warn you about potential storms. The altimeter can tell you about your current elevation, and there is also a compass. Of course, it also has all the advanced health tracking you would expect, like continuous heart rate, blood oxygen, advanced sleep tracking, and stress monitoring. It's a complete package for monitoring both your high intensity adventures and, just as importantly, your recovery afterward. It also replaces the older readiness score with the biocharge feature, which is a more dynamic scoring system. It starts with a number in the morning based on your sleep last night and then fluctuates throughout the day as you do several activities. So it's a more dynamic system that in real time gives you feedback about how you're doing health wise in your life. Moving on, the battery life on this watch is just fantastic. It packs a massive 700 milliamp hour battery. In my real world use, with the always on display on during the day and turned off at night, GPS alternating between accurate and power saving modes, and all the health features running 24/7, I was consistently getting roughly 8 to 9 days on a single charge. If you're used to a nightly charging ritual or a battery anxiety from other smartwatches, I'm looking at you, Galaxy Watch 8 Classic. The freedom this gives you is game changing. You can go on a multi-day hike, a camping trip, or a long weekend adventure and not even think about packing a charger. For a powerful watch with a screen this bright, getting over a week of real world use is seriously impressive. And now finally, let's talk about the display and few extra features that seal the deal. It houses a big 1.5-inch AMOLED screen, and it's stunning. It's sharp, vibrant, and protected by sapphire glass. But here's the killer spec. The display can go all the way up to 3000 nits of peak brightness. To put that in perspective, many high-end phones top out around 2000 nits. This means the T-Rex 3 Pro display is incredibly bright. It's also a highest brightness level in the entire Amazfit lineup. The T-Rex 3 Pro also has a built-in LED flashlight. You can turn it on with a long press of a button, and it has 4 brightness levels and even a red light mode. You can also switch to an SOS mode, which is really handy. Overall, it's a genuinely handy feature for finding gear in your tent, navigating in dark trail for a moment, or just finding your keys in the car. Personally, I've also found it incredibly useful to have a flashlight on your wrist, especially at night. So these are my top 5 reasons why you should consider Amazfit T Rex 3 Pro. When you factor in everything it offers, the premium grade 5 titanium build, the genuinely useful advanced offline mapping, the insane 3000 nits brightness, brightness, and almost 10 days of battery life with heavy usage, it becomes one of the most compelling and high-value adventure smartwatches available today. If you're the type who loves hiking, trail running, climbing, or training outdoors, or you just want a smartwatch that can truly take a beating and won't die on you when you need it the most, the T Rex 3 Pro is built for you. Thanks for watching. I'll catch you in the next one. Till then, take care. Bye bye.